Hi, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah. So I think this is the first time I'm sharing a result over here. I joined this course I think in May or June. I don't exactly remember. So one thing that I really wanted to share is the thing that I'm really going to share is actually a big miracle because my father lost his job 15 years ago, and for the last 15 years we have been struggling financially, and he wasn't getting a job also anywhere, and it was becoming very difficult. But I've been doing HPP continuously for 3 months, and I also do the inner child meditation continuously, and all whatever you say वो रोज मैं daily कर रही हूँ. तो मैं and my father actually got a job. So,
Wow.
जो 15 सालों में जो नहीं हो रहा था, जो इतने सारे ऑब्स्टिकल्स आ रहे थे, वो 3 महीने में हो गया वो. एंड आई कैन ऑल्सो फील द शिफ्ट इन द एनर्जी एट माई हाउस. जो जो काम हमें ऐसे लग रहा था यार हम इतना कोशिश कर रहे हैं, बट समथिंग इज कमिंग इन द वे, इट इज गेटिंग स्टक. नाउ थिंग्स आर हैपनिंग. So
Wow.
I really had to share this.
Thank you so much for sharing. Really happy for you. Everyone give a lots of love, blessings, and congratulations to you and your father. 15 साल के बाद जॉब मिलना is a very very big thing. I know it as an HR because आपका 1 साल का भी गैप होता है तो you don't get a job easily. Thank you so much for sharing. Lots of love to you. Sharing. Thank you.